My dear CA final students, I'm so happy to make this announcement that I'm coming live every week with a unique free AFM mentoring program. Friends, I can tell you one thing with full surety. If you follow the rules of this mentoring program strictly and without fail, the upcoming September exam, you can surely score 70 plus in the AFM examination. Because in this mentoring program, I will give you a study plan. I will give you free resources. I will give you free classes. But you have to study properly. You have to study with full dedication and you have to complete each and every assignment that I give you as a part of this mentoring program. Not only this, in the month of August, we will have 3 MCQs. Write those MCQs, mock examinations also. Once you do that, you are all ready. And I promise you one thing, friends, you will score 70 plus in the upcoming September 2025 examination. So do not delay, friends. Register for this free mentoring program immediately. I will see you there.